So a very warm good evening to one and all present over here. Today, I am Garkar standing in front of you all to tell what are the drawbacks behind the Air India 171 airplane crash in Ahmedabad. So AI-171 or Air India 171 was a very big Boeing 171 aeroplane which has a seater capacity of around 250 people. 250 people means it has a large capacity of holding people. So let me tell you what were the drawbacks in this thing. So according to the black box, I have taken the information and I am going to tell you what were the circumstances that took place in this plane. So as you can see, the plane's wings are retracted. It means the wings are straight, but there should be a tilt between both the wings. Normally, the pilot choose 5-degree tilt, which is nice for cold climate, but on that day it was about 40 degrees. So it means that the wings should be 20 to 25 degree tilt in their position to fly and to take a nice journey. And you can see the landing gear, which is here, is still open. In this case, you can also see that the nose is trying to face upwards. It means that the plane is trying to land and also trying to fly, which is wrong, because if the plane will try to land and fly at the same time, so then there are circumstances that the plane will fail its engine, and the failure of engine chances is one engine failure, 5 lakhs in one, and both the engine can fail in 1 crore in one. So the plane was holding in total capacity of 242 people and one was alive. So I have also taken information from this one person's interview, and it tells that the plane was making weird sound. It was trying to raise itself. As I told you that the pilots were, as I mentioned that the pilots were trying to land and take the plane to a higher stage in the same time. So the pilot must have given a nice throttle to make it fly better. But as I mentioned that it was trying to land at the same time. So this whole incident happened. And about the runway of this plane, it took a 3.5 kilometer runway, which is nice for this types of plane. But the speed of this plane was not so fast. It was about 350 kilometer per hour, which is not necessary for this plane. It should have a speed of 420 kilometer per hour to fly in a proper way in this runway, in 3.5 kilometer runway. I have taken more information about other things, other aeroplane crashes also in past that happened and occurred like in the same circumstances, and that two planes were of McDonnell Douglas. And from that plane, I came to know that the both planes were little bit tilted like the same, but the engine capacity was lower than them. So the engine capacity of this was 60,000 horsepower. Which is very nice horsepower, because as we compare it to the normal ones, in the car also you can get highest to highest in 1000 horsepower engine in a car. And according to a normal plane, the Boeing, this one is the highest category of engine you can get in any Boeing plane. But this Boeing plane was around 11-year-old, which is very old for a plane, because the lifespan of a normal airplane in India especially is 10 years. Because if you try to fly a plane more than 10 to 15 years, then the plane will get destroyed in the air only. So thank you.